Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am going to be making a coffee cake. I have preheated my fan oven to 160 degrees and lined my cake tin with grease-proof paper. In my bowl I'm going to add butter and sugar and whisk it until it becomes very fluffy and brown. I'm now going to gradually add my eggs in with a tablespoon of flour. With the remaining flour I have left over, I'm going to add it to the mixture and fold it in. Once all the flour is combined into my bowl, I am going to then add my coffee. Now I'm going to add my coffee mixture into my tin and bake in the oven. While my cakes are cooling, I am going to make my icing. The first thing I am going to do is beat the icing, sugar and butter until it becomes light and fluffy. Now I'm going to add my coffee. My cakes have cooled. With the base of this cake, I am going to trim the top of it to make sure it is flat. Then I'm going to add a layer of my coffee icing. I'm now going to take my second cake, which is the top of the cake, and place it on top. Then I'm going to add another layer of icing. And then lastly, decorate with walnuts. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.